Number 13 gives us a couple requirements. Sine of A has to be this, angle A has to be between those two values, and with that information we should be able to find tangent of A. Okay, so there's two places, or two quadrants where the sine of A could be negative 3/5, which is why they're giving us this information, so we can sketch our triangle correctly. If the angle is bigger than pi radians but less than 3 pi over 2 radians, this would have to be in quadrant 3. So here's my quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this represents angle A, and if I draw this to the x-axis, here's my reference triangle, which is a right triangle, and opposite of that would be negative 3, and the hypotenuse would be 5. Getting that from SOHCAHTOA and the fact that sine is always opposite over hypotenuse. And notice this is going down, so it makes sense for this to be negative. Hypotenuse is always going to be positive. Alright, tangent, also using SOHCAHTOA. Tangent's going to be opposite over adjacent. So here's my reference angle. I know opposite. I need to find adjacent. Now you may notice you've got 2 or 3 sides of a right triangle, so you could use Pythagorean theorem if you want to. This is also a Pythagorean triple. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, and so tangent's opposite over adjacent. And if you do what I just wrote down here, I'm going to guess this is one of our answers to pick from, but it is not going to be correct. Negative 3/4. I want you to see that this is a good distractor where if you're going too fast, obviously we're trying to go fast so we can spend more time on other questions, but if you're going too fast you may pick choice D, and that's not correct. So the mistake that you would have made if you did that is whether you use Pythagorean triple for 3, 4, 5, or you use Pythagorean theorem and solve that this length is 4, that's just a length. In quadrant 3, you're going left, so that 4 must be negative, and then the 3, negative divided by negative, those reduce out to be positive. So the actual answer should be 3/4, which is why choice C should be correct for number 13.